couple new friends. Sick. I was feeling lonely. It is late at night because we don't know how to eat properly. This is quarantine edition after all, so I thought I'd be realistic. It's 10:30 at night and we are making udon noodle soup. This is Tyler's mom's recipe, and then we spice it up a little because we miss ramen and we didn't want to make ramen because we really like her udon noodle soup. Still makes sense. We make seasoned eggs. We're not going to be able to eat those tonight because I completely forgot we were making udon noodle soup today, and I didn't get to put them in the fridge for a couple of hours, so we're gonna eat the eggs with leftovers tomorrow. But yeah, I will show you the soup when it's done. I was gonna do breakfast and lunch first, obviously, today, but oh Lord, I was in a bad mood today. I was in literally the worst mood of my whole life. I think I'm just grumpy and over it, and it snowed today in Toronto. It was a lot to handle mentally, emotionally, so yeah, over it for a hot minute, but I'm good. We just went for a walk and now we're back. We're gonna eat some soup, watch a movie, and get on our merry way with feeling a little bit more human. Red pepper flakes, sea salt, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, sesame seeds, honey, and that's what you get. That's pretty good.
Oh, my hair is all floofy.
You're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Okay, that's enough. Take a bite of the soup. You're so dainty. Wait, Tyler's been growing a celery baby.
Gonna be big one day. A girl from Surrey.
Going in. Oh, I think it's too hard. Oh no, it's jelly! Ah! I killed it. Yeah. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. Taste test. Oh, really close. I'm a chef. Wow. Baby! I'm a chef. Tonight we are keeping it real and making some chicken strips, and then I'm going to tear them up, put them into a salad, you know, to offset frozen food. This isn't normally a thing, but sometimes you just don't want to cook. I don't know if I showed you this, but I made another sourdough loaf this morning. It's going to be delicious for breakfast tomorrow, or a snack of like olive oil and balsamic vinegar. It's one of our favorites. Homemade bread is like next level. I just ate about 500 of these. If you've never tried these Dare cookie chips, you're freaking missing out. I'm gonna keep that in. Man down.
Do. Well, I guess I need 4. You don't mind that I eat upstairs? I'm in the middle of helping these guys with their shit.
Okay, love you.
Love you, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I can bring this up?
Yep, I'm good.
Thank you.
No problemo. I have a sweet tooth and I literally cannot finish a meal without eating something chocolatey after. Even though I'm not supposed to eat chocolate, but now. Look at that bread. Woo-hoo. So just fried one egg up, well scrambled, not fried, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of sesame oil to help make the rice get crispy and give it that delicious flavor. Gonna add poison, whatever's left in this of soya sauce, and then a little Thai chili sauce because it's just tasty. Let that fry. Forgot to add garlic. Whoopsie. Try and get it in there. Fritz. It's starting to get sizzly now, so I'm gonna add baby corns. Water chestnuts, because they're the flipping best ever. Leftover red pepper. I'm gonna grate in some fresh ginger. Finished product. Just a tiny wee bit of sriracha. Then a little green onion for some color. And flavor flav. And sesame seeds. Sesame seeds make it like instantly photo worthy. And then I'm drinking a local beer, Woodhouse Brewery. They're berry sour. Delicious. And my first glass of water today because adulting is hard. I just had a bath. It's 11 p.m. and here I am eating more bread and oil because that's what I do. Good night. Realistic breakfast. Old cinnamon bun. This thing. Coffee and boy. Lunch is dumplings and the leftover rice. These are the dumplings that we buy all the time. Pretty good. Dumplings at home, homemade or bought. You must get this vinegar. For dinner tonight, we ordered season 6. This is like when you want to make like really good home cooking, but you're just way too lazy and you don't have the time or you don't want to put in the effort for like $13. Are you flipping kidding me? It is so good, so filling. We bought a lot because we want to support our friends, support local businesses as well. We want leftovers. So highly suggest this restaurante if you are located in the Toronto area, if you are Uber Eats. They're on Uber, or they also deliver for free on their website. You can order through their website and they will deliver it to you. All the smells. Ooh. Okay, I haven't tried this chicken yet. Very excited. Oh my god, Brooke. You're such a freaking good chef. Oh my god. Sausage and beans. I think my head's gonna explode. This is so good. I swear I eat Brooke's food and then I can't cook at home after this because it's just so good. Like, how? How is it? Have a new friend? Sup? Gonna warm this up and eat away and finish watching Father of the Bride, one of my faves. I'm in my robe because I'm currently filming and I was wearing all white, so that would be really bad to eat purple carrots and beets. Orange chicken for dinner. It's gonna be a late one again, but that's fine because I ate a late lunch. This is a good little recipe, but I just found this on the internet. I've used it before, it's great. And I'm gonna be using chicken thighs because that's what I got. Wait for that to cool down so that I can pour the chicken, and then it says to refrigerate for 2 hours, but it's 8:30 p.m. I don't know how long we'll wait, but we'll see. Maybe like an hour. And then toss it in some flour and then you fry it up. And I'm gonna add some orange segments to it because I love a juicy piece of orange with the food, and I have leftover rice still from when I made fried rice the other day. Dinner will be delish.